Welcome to Friesland Campina, Thailand. Friesland Campina is from Netherlands. We have a local brand, which is the foremost brand, the one that you see here, talking about 300 million tons of milk per year. The products that we sell is not only for domestic, we also supply to other countries in Asia region. And, we also supply canned products. I'm in charge of the project that we use the machine from Cermex. For the bottle life project in Thailand, we have the code name called the OSL. OSL means the optimal shelf life. By doing this project, we believe that we can deliver the products with a longer shelf life than what we have delivered to the market in the past. For the scope of supply, for this milk bottle line, we start from the processing, filling, packing until the end of line. For Chaiyo Sahat, they supply us the lane dividers and also for the wraparound case packer machine. On top of that, is also the integrated between the conveyor from other suppliers to their machine. At the lane dividers, we can make a choice to have 3 up to 8 lanes before feeding to the machine. For the case packers, we have capabilities to handle different formats, go through the wraparound case packer machine. From that lens, we have the products complexities for the 4 sizes of bottles, so the machine itself can differentiate the lanes from 3 to 8, and then we pack into different box sizes depending on the size of the bottles. We can achieve up to 24 cases per minute, which is really high. Eventually, this case packer can even pack all the products, even more than 500 bottles per minute, which is outstanding. Yes, talking about the saving of packaging, this secondary packaging between the RSC and wraparound, you basically can get savings 30% easily. Chaiyo Sahat has helped us in validating different formats in-house first, so that we can really guarantee that by the time we receive the machine, we just plug and play, and then we can get the result. It's like a vertical startup to me. Among of other machines, Chaiyo Sahat is the one can really deliver the highest machine reliabilities comparing to the rest.